Hello, I wanted to show you this tool, which I think would be useful for um, final stages of the website and for code review. It's called Codex. You can download it directly from OpenAI. So, what you can do with this, you can, for example, download this whole website from our server, right? All the files from public HTML and have them stored locally on your computer, and you would add a new project and find that folder with the code base and add it here. So I did that, and I asked if Codex can explore the code base and understand the website, how it is built. So I want to show you what it did. So less than a minute, it was able to review the whole code base um, and bring me all of this explanation. So in the end, it asked me if I want a technical audit of SEO issues, accessibility, performance, and maintainability. I said, do it. And then around 1 minute later, it brought 10 points of potential issues. Now, I don't think we should blindly focus and, not even read those stuff and just say, yo, yeah, you just go and fix all of these. I don't think we should do that. I think we should pick and decide ourselves first what's more important and what's not. And that's what I did. Um, but for example, this one, multiple pages start with H2, H3 instead of H1. So there were H1 missing, social media metadata, and so for across the pages. On homepage, it was all right, but other pages were messed up. Um, Now, 404 page had some unrelated domain inside it, and I did check it after that. I checked everything it wrote, and it was true. Um, Now, some technical issues I skipped. I did not want to deal with that. That was not like my objective, right? But here, something that really bugged me was there was a typo, and this website was reviewed by so many people, by our team and the client himself, and no one saw this typo. I guess it's a small typo, but still, you see it says G here, request quote, so it found the typo. I think that's pretty great that it spotted it. Placeholder business. So there was a placeholder in variables. That's not too important. But I selectively asked AI to do some of these things, fix the 404, the typo, the SEO, metadata, just selectively, right? And then in the same message, I brought the second request. I wanted it to remove this keyword anywhere it appears on the website concierge. I wanted, this was a request from the client, and we wanted it gone. So I asked to replace it and rephrase where is needed. So it did all that. Now, once it's working, you can see what it does. So in the red, you see what was removed. In green, you see what was added. So it basically replaced something here. Um, you can you can view everything it does. You can also toggle this panel on the right to see it better. You have a whole code base here. You can click on, so let's say this line, you don't like it, you can click on plus and request a change, say something is not good here. Now let's see at the end, I asked to deploy to localhost and it gave me a link. So now I have it on my computer. It's not live yet, right? But we already see that the typo was removed. Anything that had concierge in it, like for example these buttons, request concierge, and we had concierge here in the footer. This is the live domain. Now on the local host, it's gone. request service, it was replaced. In the footer, we no longer have concierge here. I mean, I already reviewed the whole website and I did not find a single word. It had concierge here, now it says home watch. I already reviewed the titles. Everything was fixed as intended, and the last work, it took 5 minutes, little over 5 minutes to do this. So in total, I would say under 10 minutes we were able to patch a website and fulfill a request for a client. Um, and yet the website was not broken in any term. It's still the same code base as it was, but those troubles, those issues were fixed. So I think that's pretty good. We should definitely consider using it for other clients and have this AI, audit websites and see maybe there are potential issues that we are not seeing. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.